So first I go to bootstrap.com because I will use Bootstrap classes to design the button. Then I will use font awesome icon. Okay, I click you can also use Google and write the Bootstrap and open the first link, download, click to download, right, and save the project and open the folder, cut the folder, go to desktop, create a folder. Inside the folder I paste the complete zip folder and extract here, and I remove that, and I also select it and select all files without bootstrap.css file, right, and I don't need to use the JS folder. Okay, I open my code editor and then I drag and drop this folder inside my code editor. Then I will use font awesome icon to design the project, right. Okay, just a minute, I drag, just a minute, drag and drop the folder. Okay, and then create a file, for example file index.html, write the basic syntax of HTML file. Okay, and we need to include the CSS file. Okay, as style type I use, this is a default style type, I use link CSS folder and bootstrap.css file, right. Then I go to my browser and I want to use font awesome icon, so I open Google and use font awesome. Okay, open the official website of font awesome and then I wait a couple of seconds to open the website and select the version like for web and save. Just a minute to download the font awesome icon in your project and your computer. So guys, then you will use font awesome icon on your project. I check it the another tabs. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, first I wait to download the font awesome icon on your computer. Then we will get the font awesome folder inside the font awesome zip folder, right. Once the download has been completed, now you need to go on the folder and cut the folder, go to your desktop and open your folder, project folder, paste here and then right click it, extract it, and then you need to wait a couple of seconds to extract the folder, right. Once you have extracted the zip font awesome folder and then I remove it and I go to font awesome icon and copy the wave fonts or cut the wave fonts and paste here. Then you need to remove this folder because we have a font awesome folder like this. Okay, now the next thing is you need to go on your project and you need to use link relation CSS and include your font awesome CSS file. So I copy this URL, paste here and then wait a couple of seconds to open the file on your browser. Okay, this is your font with some CSS file. Okay, select all properties and go to your code editor, and first I create a file, fonts.css, paste it, save it, close tab, and include the font with some CSS file. That's it. I use for example, I use button span tag. Inside the span tag I use class fa edit, right, and I assign the class in the button btn success. So save that and right click it and open with live server. Then you need to wait a couple of seconds to display the font with some icon inside your button. Okay, as you can see guys, remove it, I mean zoom it. As you can see, this is your font with some icon. Okay, you can also use another font with some icon like trash to delete the. As you can see, I change the color, right? This is so this video is all about how you can use latest font with some icon in your project. If your internet is disconnect, then you are able to use font with some icon